For the pancake batter, we have using 1 cup of roasted rolled oat powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar, pinch of salt, pinch of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 cup of regular milk. Mix it well and make sure the consistency is not too runny. After that, add a 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla essence, This is the desired consistency and keep it aside for 2 minutes. Now use a little bit of oil for greasing a pan. Pour the batter using approximately 1/4 cup of batter for a pancake. On a low flame, cook it until it turns golden brown. After that, flip the side and cook the other side. Repeat the same process again for the remaining pancakes. Top it with some maple syrup and garnish with peanut butter, banana and flax seeds.